गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं ब्रजेश कुमार, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी, जमशेदपुर कोऑपरेटिव कॉलेज। कल मैं आप लोग को पेरिडर्म के विषय में डिस्कस कर रहा था। उसमें हम लोग कल बार तक डिस्कशन कर चुके थे। आज लेंटिसेल के विषय में डिस्कस करना है। लेंटिसेल इज द स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ द पेरिडर्म where the activity of phelogen cork cambium is more active than the rest places, and the cork cells produced by it are loosely arranged and possess numerous intercellular space. The lenticell develops below the stomata by the division of some cells below the stomata in different plane. They are larger in size, lose their contents, and becomes colorless. The phelogen cells which are present below the lenticell also have intercellular space. As the new complementary cells are added towards the outer side, pres- presence um, develops as a reticulate epidermis ruptures. They are also found on the surface of fruits. Example: apple, plums. It is marked by a small dot or on the surface of fruits. Lenticell usually occurs as a raised corky spots on the surface of main axis and branches where periderm develops. It is absent in Tecoma radicans, Vitis, vinifera, Philadelphus, Philodevelopus, etc. The absence of lenticels in these plants are substituted by the annual padding of the external layers of bark. The padding mm, of the bark at regular intervals brings the inner tissue in contact with fresh air. Commercial cork. The development of periderm layer in the Curicus suber cork oaks is a special interest. In this case, phelogen first develops in the epidermal layer, producing outer thick cork tissue and inner few layer pheloderm cells. This phelogen persists indefinitely at the age of 20 years when the tree is of about 40 centimeter in circumference. This outer layer is known as virgin cork. It is removable by stripping. In this process, the separation is made up to the phelogen layer. Sometimes it may occur up to the pheloderm. The exposed pheloderm and the cortical cells die. New phelogen layer develops several millimeters deeper in the cortex. By the phelogen, new cork is formed more rapidly than by the first layer. Within 9 to 10 years, new um, thick layer develops, which is known as commercial cork. It is commercially valuable than that of virgin cork. This cork is not so good as that obtained at the third and subsequent stripping, which takes place at intervals of about 9 years until the tree is 150 years or more years old. This commercial cork is obtained from Quercus suber, the thin but tough sheets of cork obtained from Betula papyrifera. It was used widely North American Indian civilization, but little and used today. The properties which make commercial cork valuable are its imperviousness, lightness, toughness, and chaoticity. Elasticity. Thank you. पेरिडर्म चैप्टर का डिस्कशन समाप्त हो गया है। हम लोग एक के पहले पिछले क्लास में सेमेस्टर 2 के ही बच्चों को एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर एसेंट ऑफ सैप्स पर ये सब पर डिस्कशन किए थे, लेकिन ग्यूटेशन पर डिस्कशन करना बाकी रह गया था। सो अभी बचे हुए समय में ग्यूटेशन पर हम लोग डिस्कशन कर लें। Guttation, the outcome of water droplets from the leaf margin through a specific water stomata or hide thoughts in cold, humid atmospheric condition is called guttation. The phenomenon is tagged normally to the excessive absorption of water being too much higher as compared to transpiration. High thoughts are usually present at the tip of the lateral veins of individual leaf. Sometimes the exudation of water may occur either through leaf scars or lenticles available in stem. Figure guttation, a exudation of water droplets at the nerve ending of tropaeolum leaf. B. ls of a hide third showing is connection with the xylem elements of lateral vein. The guttation occurs mainly during night, but this may occur during daytime provided the plants are thriving in extremely cold weather having high atmospheric humidity. When the rate of transpiration is insignificant, the guttation most probably involves the movement of solids along with the movement of water. Hence, the existence of guttation is attributed to the positive hydrostatic pressure is equal to R P that develops from that develops from below the xylem ducts of root. Okay, thank you.